Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know you guys, it's been a while. Listen, life has been life, and so I'm just trying to get back into the groove of everything. I just got back. You guys probably just saw my veneer video. I told you that I just got my teeth done in Miami. We just came back, so this is like the video after that. That's what you should be seeing. And here is what they look like, you guys. So good. I'm so excited and happy with the results. All the details about those are in that video prior to this. So if you want interested in checking out my experience, all that so far, just go and see that video. I'll have a link below. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing Sunday dinner. Today is actually the Sunday after I got back from from Miami, and I'm doing Sunday dinner at the house for my family. My birthday is Tuesday. I'll be turning 38, which I'm super excited about. I think I'm gonna have like a chill day. I want to do like breakfast that morning, go and do breakfast, maybe go get my toes done, get me a massage, just kind of do stuff I want to do and make money. I'm just gonna do what I want to do that day. So I'm not cooking anything for the camera, I'm not doing anything for anybody besides myself that day. But anyway, so I'm going to do Sunday dinner. I'm going to be making, actually cleaning my fridge out as well. You know, you come back, I prep food for the kids before I left. I think I'll pop up. I had to take some pictures about but I ended up prepping like a whole bunch of different meals. There is so much left over that I have to throw away now because they didn't eat, which I'm not going to do it again. Because they are wasting my money every time I do that. So I'm cleaning my fridge out, which is what you guys probably, let me show you. You guys probably see all of that here. I need to toss all of this stuff. I'm about to pop me an audiobook on so I can get to listen to that while I clean. I have to do a little bit of homework. I have to study for a test I have on Wednesday. Because I told you guys I'm back in school. But I'm going to make today, I'm going to do Sunday dinner today. So I'm going to be doing cabbage, macaroni and cheese. Let me show you guys real quick. I'm gonna be doing mac and cheese. This is my cheeses, heavy cream and sour cream on put in here. This is my husband's gonna want some garlic bread to go with. Hold on, y'all. It's just some garlic bread I got from the Max. My husband wanted that to go with some of the leftover Creole. He's gonna take that on the road with him this week. I'm doing some yams. Got my cabbage. I'm gonna do some neck bones and then fry some chicken, and I'm gonna do like that viral crunchy cucumber salad this week for my snack, which I'm super excited about. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge. And then my mother-in-law wants me to make her some more chicken on the sticks. I made some yesterday when we got back, but my husband was so exhausted last night, probably a little tipsy, and he burnt like 4 or 5 of them last night. So I'm gonna remake those today as well. So that's what I'm gonna be. I just plugged it outside.
You gonna make it burn out?
No, I didn't say outside.
I asked you what you said don't matter.
No, I didn't say outside. I'm pretty sure I said outside.
What's open the door? I told you 10 minutes, don't look at it. I don't know if I'm going to sit at the table or something.
Hey you guys, and welcome back. Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So you guys, it's the next day. I think the last video you guys I told you guys I just got back from Miami, and I already know you guys I've been gone for a while. I know we're gonna have a chance to talk about it, probably another video, but not today. Today I'm trying to get my life together, you guys. I have not picked up the camera in so long. You know, if you ever recorded, if you haven't picked up a camera for a while, once you try to get back on camera, it's kind of awkward. I don't know why it's like that, but whatever. So I've been wanting to like pop the camera on and record, but I just been having a lot going on. I'm not sleeping again because baby Wyatt is back throwed off again. So y'all, the last maybe like 3 or 4 weeks, he has been on like a 48 hours on, 48 hours off binge. Like he will be up for 2 days straight, and then he sleep for like then he sleep for like a whole day, and then he's back at the same routine again. So he's not sleeping. He's only sleeping a couple of hours a night, if that, or during the day, and then he's up all night long. So that's what we've been going through, and I've been exhausted. So I have just not been able, I just had not had the energy to record, and plus I just haven't had anything going on in terms of around the house because we just got back from Miami. So I just got done getting my veneer. So we are on like a tight budget because we did, you know, it was a really large investment. So I haven't really been buying anything like that, but I decided to go ahead and do a little bit of refreshing the living room in preparation for fall. So I ended up getting a new side table. I need to check the shipping on it. I ordered it from West Am, I think. Either West Am or Party Barn. You know, they're sister companies. But that should be delivered today. No, that should be delivered sometime this week. I don't know the actual day. I have to look at the actual tracking for the delivery confirmation. And then I'm going to change out the pillow covers in the living room. I bought a new rug as well, so I'm gonna change the rug out of the living room and just rearrange the decor and add, you know, change out the floors and all that stuff to give the living room a little bit of a refresh. I also ordered a rug for the dining room as well. I told you guys I ordered molding for the dining room and then also the living room. I just haven't put it up yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to anytime soon because now I'm on the fence if I want to do it or not, because I feel like if I do it in this part of the house, I need to take it on into the hallway and then possibly into our bedroom. I'm not sure if I want to do that or not yet. It's a big commitment, so because I want to make sure that the house flows cohesively. So for now, I have the molding in the storage room, but I'm not going to put it up yet just because I'm not sure if I want to do it or not. So for now, I'm going to be changing out the rug for the dining, actually putting a rug in the dining room because I haven't had a rug in there for a while. The last rug I had, I pulled out because baby Wyatt was just getting stuff all on it, and so I just had pulling it out. So I'm going to be putting a new rug in the dining room, a new rug in the living room, change out the pillow covers in the living room. I'm going to give the fireplace like a little bit of like a refresh. I'm thinking about, let me know what you guys think. So right now it's like this taupey color. I'm thinking about either going back white on the little hearth thing, or either I'm going to go with black and have the whole fireplace black. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, because I'm making doing that on the next video, depending on if I can get everything done in this video or not. I need to do that. And then I told you guys I ordered dining room chairs a while back. They were on back order. Those are gonna be coming in 2 weeks. So new dining chairs, they're like this barrel style chair, you guys. I'm going through a dinner party. Once they come in, me and my sisters are gonna do like a dinner party. I'm gonna host this sister dinner party thing when I get my new chairs in. I'm thinking about also putting a narrow narrow side table in the living in the dining room that I've been eyeing. Just a really narrow one, just to give some more contrast and move this plant out of here and put it back in the living room. But I'm on the fence because putting big furniture pieces in here is like a big decision, because I don't want to purchase it and then I don't like it, then I have to return it and all that good stuff. So I'm on the fence, but I definitely feel like I want to put something there. Only thing I'm concerned about is baby Wyatt pulling stuff down, because I miss having a bar, like a dedicated bar area. Right now I have this into my little bar area, but it's just not really, it's not really functional. So we'll see. I'm thinking about that. It's been I've been eyeing one I saw on Amazon, but I haven't pulled the trigger on that yet. So more to come. But anyway, so that's the checklist for today in this video. So if you guys are interested in seeing me refresh the living room space, dining room space, give everything just a refresh, changing out all the floors for fall, just keep on watching. You also guys may see the front porch makeover come up soon as well. I hate to really decorate I hate to really decorate for fall in September. I like to do it like the beginning of October, but I may do it a little bit before this year because I have open enrollment this year in October, so it's gonna be really busy at work. So I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do it or not, but we'll see. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So if you wanna see me refresh my space, give this whole front area a good clean and refresh, just keep on watching. Peace. Oh, and y'all, one more thing. This is your cue to clean your mail cabinet out. Y'all, look at this. Don't worry, I'm changing my trash out too, y'all. But look at this mail, y'all. Look at this. Look. Like, it was overflowing, y'all. Look at this. Why? This is your cue. If your mail cabinet, your mail storage is looking like this, go ahead, stop, pause the video, pull it on out, and let's go ahead and get this organized together. Because I'm going to go in and refile stuff I took out the file cabinet, toss junk mail away. So go ahead and stop the video here. Just stop. I'm going to wait for you. Grab all your mail. Let's go through this together because this don't make no sense. I mean, I'm like, why do I do this every couple of months? Like, why do I let it get like this? So anyway, pause the video, get your mail out, let's organize it together, toss out this junk mail, and get refiled everything we need to refile into the file cabinet, and just get it back organized, okay? Because this don't make no sense. And let me know in the comments below, do you guys do that as well? Do you let your mail pile up? I know I always do that. I'm like, girl, why do you do that every time? Every couple of months, it's like, I clean that out, oh, I'm so proud of myself. A couple of months later, it's back like this again, so that's life. Anyway, let's go ahead right into the video, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and start pulling out all the decor, moving it out here, and then give everything a clean, and then put all the new stuff in. So let's get started.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh,
in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to